Hey guys, it's the Tall and Short Travelers again, and today is September 14th, 2022, and we are coming to you today from Dead Horse State Park in Utah. And guys, to date, don't think I've seen anything like this ever. So I'm gonna spin it around. It's gonna be a short video, just wanted you to see it. And absolutely amazing. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, bang. I'm gonna show you this. This is totally amazing. Look at this valley. Is this not amazing? Never in my life have I seen anything like this. Just totally amazing. There's actually a trail here, and spin it around. I'm gonna take you on a little bit of a walk with me. There's a little bit about it here, the geology visible from, I said Dead Horse, it's Dead Horse Point State Park. Give you a little bit of geology from Dead Horse Point, but I mean, I'll zoom in a little bit. Just totally amazing. There's my friends over there, Rick Root, waving. Just totally amazing. I love to share our travels with you guys, and most of it's RV parks and stuff like that, and that's okay too, but we're going to be sharing Dead Horse Point and hopefully Canyonlands and Arches National Park as well. This thing is super deep here. Really see down in there. So be sure to visit our Facebook page and Instagram, the Tall and Short Travelers. You can see all the pictures that we take and of this beautiful country. Utah is definitely does not disappoint. So much we're not going to get to see in Utah, but it's just this is I keep saying it's breathtaking. So just amazing. They do have if you come into the state park, it costs $20 to get in, and they have a gift shop and a little place you can, if you want to bring a picnic, you can do that. There's some certain kind of trees out here, bushes. Normally I talk a lot on my videos, but my jaw sort of dropped down. I wanted to get the back side of this canyon here for you guys. There's another cliff rose. There's a little point here. And there's my friends Rick and Diane getting their picture taken.
It's not that far of a drop.
He's a great friend and a fellow RV tech, a fellow retired cop, so we have a lot in common. This is the other side. I was just standing over there. It's just totally amazing. Get you a little closer to the water here. See what they got over here. You get to see a little bit of. Get up here. It helps because I'm tall too. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just amazing. See the sunlight coming through over there? Just totally amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you some more in Utah. Thanks guys. Tone Short Travelers, we're out.